Hey guys, welcome back to PHP by Fire. This is a simple tutorial which will teach how we can send the emails using PHP. Now for this purpose we will use our online code editor of PHP by Fire, which you can find from the code editor of the home page. We are using this because email sending is not possible on the local host because it does not comes pre-configured with the email server. So to support the SMTP, we use the online code editor which is already on the Apache server. Okay, that's very good. Now let's see how we can send an email to the origin email address php-by-fire@gmail.com. So let's see what we have to do to send the email. So first, let's declare a variable receiver with the name of the receiving email address, that is php-by-fire@gmail.com. Cool. Okay, now we have to mention the subject of the email, the email tutorial. That's very good. Now we have to put the message within it. So in the message we can write, this is the tutorial of PHP by Fire on email sending. That's great. Now we have another argument in email function, which is the header. Now this argument is not actually a required argument. We can put it if we want, and we do not need to put it very necessarily. Sorry for the disturbance. Now let me tell you again what this is about. Now the header is an optional argument in the email function. We can just put it if we want, and we can just mention here from the sender of the email. So we can put here, now this is the email address of one of my friend. I'm just sending him on his behalf. Okay, that's great. Now let's come to the email function. Now this is a function, mail function, which needs 3 required arguments and 1 optional argument, that is the header. Now the first one is receiver. First argument, receiver, the one to which the email has to be sent. The second one is the subject of the email. Okay. Now the third one is message, the message that the email contains, and the last one is header. So we are at the header now. That's great. Okay, now this is our email function which will send the email to this email address. Now I would like to tell you that there is no such emails for now from the PHP by Fire. So let's try it. Okay, there is no such message because it is not programmed as of this type, but we can check it here for any email, and we can see that the email has arrived here, and we can see the sender is agarwal_47@gmail.com to PHP by Fire, whatever it is, and we can see the subject as the email tutorial. So that's how we can send the email. We can also send this email without this header. That will actually make the sender the server itself. That will give an unidentified address that will be of no use for the understanding. So this is about the email tutorial, and hopefully you'll come to know how we can send the emails by this tutorial. We can also send the emails in HTML format. We'll be covering in the later section of our tutorials to that. So thank you very much. This is all about the email tutorial. Hope this helps. Thank you.